GoGreen Kentucky makes it easy for anyone to support renewable energy. Here's how. You choose the participation level that's right for your budget, starting at just $2 per month, conveniently added to your bill. There's no equipment to install or maintain. The GoGreen Kentucky program purchases renewable energy certificates, or RECs, on your behalf. A REC represents 1 megawatt-hour of electricity from renewable energy sources like the sun, wind, and water, replacing electricity on the grid that would otherwise come from traditional sources like oil and coal. Since all electricity is mixed together on the grid, RECs are a way to measure and track the renewable energy you're supporting. When you purchase RECs through GoGreen Kentucky, you can claim the renewable energy attributes they represent. Purchase a 200 kilowatt-hour portion of a REC for just $2 per month. Or purchase a full REC for $10 to match 100% of a typical home's energy use. Either way, you're joining a powerful community of supporters, all working together to help advance renewable energy for future generations. Visit duke-energy.com/GoGreenKentucky to enroll today.